Hi and welcome to Crypto Gems. In today's video, we're going to talk about Clashpets NFT. This video is not a financial advice. This video is just for educational and entertainment purpose only. So please do your own research. All the links are mentioned in the description box below. Without further ado, let's get into it.
Alright, so this is the website of Clashpets. You can access it by going to clashpets.com. So Clashpets is a very exciting and immersive NFT gaming experience which is built in Metaverse. The good thing about this game is that it tries to integrate all the features that exist in the NFT gaming. It basically makes this gaming experience a lot more simple and a lot more fun and engaging in the Metaverse. And this game is really good because it's going to expand the user base and it will also contribute to increasing the play to earn economy for various digital assets out there. So if you're somebody out there who wants to play this game, it's absolutely free for you to enter and start having some fun. They also have a robust play to earn systems. Whoever holds the NFT of Clashpets, it will be beneficial for them because they will have exclusive play to earn abilities. They also get access to specialty items, land, stat buffs, and they also get exclusive access to area in the Metaverse and also have an opportunity to have accountability for the governance on future features and much more. They have a plan to mint over 10,000 Clashpets passes, which will guarantee at least 60 plus NFT during the next 12 months as they work on the game mechanics. These passes would actually help you receive airdrops for any upcoming in-game NFT pets, PFPs, land, farm, seeds, and marketplace item. The good thing about this pass is that you will receive airdrops every now and then, and you don't really have to be quite active or even interact into the gas war. You'll just receive it into your account. If you have the Genesis pass, it means that you will receive more than 60 NFT that will basically immerse you in this ecosystem without you requiring to purchase any sort of additional drops or mints to enjoy the gaming experience. You should expect to receive at least 3 pets, 1 PFP, 1 watch, 1 deed to land parcel, and many seeds for your farms, as well as some marketplace items such as potions, experience shares as well. Whoever has the pass will get exclusive access to various game developments and any new releases they are working on. When you mint, you get 3 Clashpets mint, you get Genesis Academia Handler PFP airdrop, you get Genesis Drop Watch airdrop, you get token airdrop, land airdrop, farming ingredients and seeds airdrop, battle system alpha access, Clashpet breeding, purification chambers, Clashpet leasing, in-game marketplace item airdrops like all of these guys over here. You also get a chance to vote on various gaming features. So that's really good. It's gonna give you an opportunity to have so many different benefits by holding a simple pass. So let's go into the story time of what this game is all about. So Clashpets basically lived along humans and everything was okay. There was great balance, there was great harmony. So story time, so there was a Clashpet and they lived quite happily with humans. There was great balance, everything was okay. However, the relationship was a bit complex, meaning the humans out there never took for granted the opportunity to spend significant amount of their time, their energy and resources to gain the trust of a Clashpet. So Clashpet would eventually battle a human just to indicate their respect and endearment. If human does become victorious, the Clashpet would forever stay loyal to the humans. So humans dedicated all their lives in raising the Clashpet, earning their trust. They decided to go to battles with them, and Clashpets out there would love to battle, and it is one of their attribute as well. So the battles were kind of fun, they were also very intense, and there was a lot of things at stake such as your relationship, resources, property, and various skills. However, the world government tried to protect the Clashpets and they banned their use for any non-recreational purposes. And that was quite successful until there was a corrupt organization which eventually aimed to eliminate this ban so that they can put Clashpets to work in the pursuit of greed while they were fighting to increase the cost of the economy. However, this organization realized that there was nothing that they can do to alter the behavior of humans towards the Clashpets because as Clashpets were really loved by humans. So the organization decided to modify their behavior. So they created this injectable serum, because of which a Clashpet can be transformed into a sinister Clashpet. And when it was injected into the Clashpet, they kind of became very violent, disobedient, and they had zero regards for human safety. And this organization released all those sinister Clashpets all across the metaverse, and that's where the problem began. So what happened was, in the metaverse, the trainers and their Clashpet were engaged in the front lines to fight with the sinister Clashpets. And by doing that, the organization was able to prove that the Clashpets are not a creature of peace, they are very violent, and all the laws that protect them must be lifted. And because of which all the laws that did protect the Clashpets till now, they were eliminated. After the ban was lifted, this organization launched hundreds of factories metaverse-wide, enslaving as many Clashpets as possible, and they were injecting them, turning them into this sinister version of them. However, the citizens got to know that the Clashpets were being converted into sinister Clashpets by injecting serum into them, and because of which the people became really angry. There was a lot of protest that forced the government to act, and they eventually aimed to create a strategic think tank where a professor out there came up with the idea so that they can create an academy where they can research this sinister Clashpet phenomena. And this academy would work on purifying the sinister Clashpets. And if they were able to do that, they were able to turn the sinister Clashpets into the good Clashpets, all the laws would be re-enabled. So over here, in the game, your task will be to determine why was this relationship endangered, why did the Clashpets become sinister. So you have to discover everything that you need to know on how to get the Clashpets, train them, evolve them, and you have to go to battle with them as your ally and not as your foe. So while you're working at the academy, you will collect the evidence, theorize, you'll do research on what happened to these Clashpets, and you're gonna find a way to make them the good Clashpets. As you're doing that, you will be able to utilize these Clashpets in different ways, such as battling, farming, and other meaningful ways to help raise your skill level and also their experience. Your ultimate goal will be to put the organization's effort to stop at once. Under their guidance, you're going to study how sinister Clashpets function, how they react on different behaviors that they demonstrate, and as you encounter a sinister Clashpet, you will be reporting back to the academia battle the data and the results you achieved. Your pets will always stay with you at your base camp, and you will be able to wrap them in via wrap watches, and this will allow you to keep the pets that are not battling working on the farm that you currently have. There will be a tutorial that will show you how to acquire Clashpets as well as how to befriend them. You're gonna use wrap watches to bring the Clashpets with you into the battle, and that way they can be summoned at any time, and when it is done, they will be wrapped back. And as you get progress in the game, the wrap watch will be how you communicate with the academia. You can receive objectives, review the data and stats on the pets you're looking to acquire and the pets that you already have. The students of academia, also known as handlers, they would have special clearance to carry sinister Clashpets and privileges that are not given to the normal citizens. So that's in a nutshell about the story of Clashpets and how this game shall work. And here is the roadmap of the company. In the Q2, the Clashpet Q2, there will be minting done of these many numbers. In Q2 to Q3, the token will be launched. In Q3, the focus will be on farming system, battle system, Clashpet leasing system. In the Q4, the focus will be on breeding chambers, purification chambers, land ownership, academy training PFP, and wrap watches, and the voting as well. In the Q1 of next year, there will be in-game marketplace. In the Q1 of 2023, the focus will also be in 23 private demo to the NFT holders out there. And here's the team behind this NFT game. So we have the founder over here, who is Alec Diesel. We have Vladislav, excuse me for the pronunciation, who is the co-founder. We have Leah, who's the advisor. Izzy Othman, who is the advisor as well. We have Aldrin, who is the character designer. We have Juhait, who is the community management. Ria, who is in influencer marketing. Adi, who's in game design. Christina, who is the social media manager, Ian, who is a character designer, and Johnny, who's a character designer as well, and so on. So that's a good way to know about the people working behind the project, because that determines the success of it. And this is the Discord page of Clashpets. You can stay connected with them over here to learn a bit more about the project. We also have a giveaway of 10 allow list spots for Crypto Gems audience, so keep a lookout on that for giveaways and any EMAs. And this is the Twitter page of Clashpets, and they have 26.2k followers currently. As you can see, there is a giveaway going on, and over here the winner has been announced as well. But the idea is to stay tuned with them on Twitter and various other social media platforms, so you can participate in these exciting giveaways and get free airdrops, free NFTs, and just have fun with it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Overall, Clashpets looks quite exciting. The idea to implement the NFT gaming in the metaverse is really cool. It's really futuristic, so I'm really excited to see how that performs. All the links are mentioned in the description box below. Please don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe, and I shall see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching.